Pipeline Infrastructure Nigeria Limited don show say dem don destroy over 35 cluster illegal refineries wey dey for the area dem dey operate. For the fight to remove illegal refineries for Niger Delta, Pipeline Infrastructure Nigeria Limited dey do everything wey dey their power sake of say the plan of the federal government of Nigeria na to remove all illegal refineries, and dem don dey succeed small small as their company na one of many companies wey dey fight to remove illegal refineries for the area. The operation manager of the firm, Joshua Ogudele, yarn this one when he carry some government ogas dem go destroy some illegal refineries for Uwaza community for Abia State.
These illegal refineries are in clusters. It's not something like you find only one illegal refinery. You have them in clusters, and in a particular cluster, you can have more than 15 illegal refineries in one particular location. And currently, as I can tell you confidently, we have destroyed over 35 clustered illegal refineries so far. However, we observed that these vandals are migrating to the wellhead areas and flow lines due to the strong security structure we have put in place on the delivery lines. So they are migrating to the wellhead areas, and we have in like vein ensure that even the wellhead areas and the flow lines too are being monitored 24/7. And that is why we have this synergy with the government security force, the host communities, and even our own special technical team that ensures that wherever they are migrating to, we dislodge them, we ensure that we put to an end all their activities, illegal activities.
Una go remember say some time ago, the National Security Advisor Nuhu Ribadu carry some top ogas dem to come do check for some pipelines and oil facilities, and come talk say the federal government ready gidigba to join body with communities for Niger Delta to stop oil tiffy for the area. In contour say,
this is something that all of us as Nigerians will say enough is enough. Nobody is taking value out of it. It is affecting us, and it is really, really unfair. Very few individuals are benefiting from this thing. They may be within the communities, they probably will be outside, but majority of them are even outside. This money is going to big people outside. We have to find a way of stopping it. Here, we are calling on all of us, particularly the community, the leaders, those who are here within areas where this infrastructure, equipments are in place. You have a role to play in this.
Oil tiffy for Niger don become one big national security matter. That na why the government dey pump plenty money put for new security architectures to fight the oil tiffy palava. Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Reporting from TMC TV studio, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.